Yes, dear friends, I have brought a doubt clearing for you today. Sometime while writing singular and plural verbs and in subject verb agreement, which verb will be agree with what subject, you may feel difficulties. One of the case is with government. That government word will take has or have. Government has announced or government have announced. So today the video is about that. So it's very simple. Just you follow what I am saying and your doubt will be clear. It is a matter of British and American English only. By the way, I am telling you some facts behind it. So see here, I have written that I am reading here. In English, we often use singular nouns that refer to groups of people. For example, government, committee, team, and like that, etc. As if, mano, they are plural. So, thinking them plural will treat them. Where, I repeat, in English we often use singular nouns that refer to groups of people. Singular noun. Example is also here, my friend, you can see. The committee wants sandwiches for lunch. They aren't very hungry. Means they want light food. Committee want. So committee have. If I say committee wants, that may lead us to wrong. My family who don't meet. My family who hasn't. That is not used. My family who haven't. In place of that, I have used my family who don't meet me often since I am living abroad. Have asked me, my family have asked me to return. कि भैया तुमसे मिले बहुत दिन हो गया तो तुम वापस आ जाओ. My family have asked me to return in place of my family has asked me to return. And the team think or has thought or have thought or thinks what will be suitable. So suitable is that the team think or the team plan to win next. If it comes to has or have, we are to use here have. Class, club, committee, company, family and government may torture you while using has or have or ses form of the verb. So that's why this collection is shown to you. One note I have given for you, where but I have written capital to emphasize only, don't be confused. But when we consider the group as an impersonal unit, not personal, we use singular verbs and pronouns. Pronouns I want to say here I, we, you, he, she, it, they. While using they, we are confused. So I have added pronoun here also. The average family, here we are not talking about our own family. I am not talking about my own family. But the average family consists or has. So see the difference. That's why I have given you that note. The average family. अब देखो ऐसे भी यूज होता है और वैसे भी यूज होता है. So one average reader may get confused कि भाई आखिर फैमिली के साथ लगाना क्या है. यहाँ कंसिस्ट कह रहे हैं, फिर कभी कंसिस्ट भी कहते हैं, एंड बोथ आर करेक्ट. तो यस, यहाँ बात है कि जब हम इम्पर्सनल यूनिट की बात करें, द एवरेज फैमिली, नॉट माई ओन फैमिली, प्लीज माइंड माई डायलॉग. द एवरेज फैमिली कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 people. Second, the committee, which was formed in 1983 or any date, has stopped working now. Okay, so here we have used has in place of have. And one important thing is that it's all about British and American, and you will be happy to know that both are correct. In British English, collective nouns are considered as plural. बस ये आपको याद रखना है, ताकि जब आप हैज हैव का प्रयोग करो, एस का उस हिसाब से प्रयोग करो, तो आपके पास ये तर्क होने चाहिए. That is the root of the confusion I have written here, and important I have written with one emoji, that it's a matter of British English and American English only. In British English, collective nouns are considered as plural, but it is opposite, my dear students or my friends, when it comes to American English. So don't worry, be happy, keep on using has or have. Take care of the situation that where you are using as personal, impersonal, that one only. Otherwise, both are correct. Thank you.